Hello everyone, today we are at Sitamarhi and we are now visiting here to see the various types of historical things that are here. Let's see one by one. First, when we enter here, we have seen that there is a statue that is written here that Swargi Sri Pandit Kanhaiya Lal Punj, Swargi Srimati Dayavanti Punj. These statues are here. And let's see what a greenery is here. How beautiful is it? Actually, nature lies here. This is how green. What a beautiful view is this. There is a pond also, and many boats are also we are able to see here. This is the, I think, main temple where everyone came to arrive here. This is the, I think, huge one of them. This looks like one of the big monument. There is a bell also. Let's ring it. And let's see what is after it. I think this is the Sita Ma, who is called as Sita Ma, of the wife of Lord Rama. This is the main campus, I think so. I am moving just around the temple and look how beautiful and how wonderful is it.
देख प्रतीक बस आगे की तरफ बढ़ना है, ठीक है। 3 प्रतीक के देख
How wonderful scene is coming from here, that we are getting here a good scene. Now we are just moving around the temple. Let's see what the temple is it. Let's visit it. This is the whole view of it. Actual ma'am is look like this, and after it what we are going to see, let's see. Now we are going to move downstairs in order to see whatever the things are in downward. These are staircases where we are now just moving. Let's see what is there. This is the also temple where we are able to see the various things. This is the place where it is came to know that Sita Ma has get into the earth at this place, so it is very memorable for her, for the Lord Krishna, and having very spiritual thing here. Let's see many more things. What a greenery is it. Let's see various other things. The greenery. Now we are moving around the temple. Let's see. Now we have to see many more things and may have many more importance. We were at this stage. See what a tree is it. Actually natural beauty seems to here. We are able to see many more things. Many people also came here in order to get the now where there is a pond also where the I think the system of electricity is also here. Many more families, generally families came here. Let's see what architect is it. Let's see boat. Let's see many plants are also here. Let's see what is this. Now we are just moving toward the pond. We are in search of something beautiful and something more gorgeous looking things. This is the pond. Actually we should came here. Natural beauty look like, and it feels make us feels to be happy, very happy. I think this is the hotel. When people are there, I think this is the hotel. This is the stairs to which I am going now. This is the cave. Let's see here. What is the importance of it? I think this is the man-made or artificially, it can't be decided, but I think this was artificial and it was destroyed after it. So after it has been made artificially. So let's move inside. Oh, this is God Shiva, Lord Shiva. Let's see what the things are here. Now we are just entering into the cave. This may be dangerous also. There is a huge darkness. I think I'm not able to speak. I've stuck my brain into this. Let's see. I have just flashed my light. Light has filled. Let's see what is inside it.